Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Critics Hub.
Let's now talk about Pardon the Intrusion, I'm Home, Episode 11. Ano ba yung ending na yun? Let's deep dive into the entire episode, okay? Shall we? Let's go. Pace. The pacing was an itsy-bitsy tense during at least the first two-thirds of the episode. Pero hindi naman yung tense to the point na nagkakasakitan na sila, nagkakamurahan na sila. Medyo nagmurahan nga sila Usahara at Satsuki dito, pero nakakatawa pa. So do I have complaints, guys? Wala. Okay? If you ask me, the pacing itself was a great setup for the finale. Halata mong matatapos ang anime na to. And coming into the final sequence, akala ko tapos na eh. Alright? So overall, guys, nothing to complain about the pacing of this episode. It was something you'd expect from this anime if you have watched the first 10 episodes of this anime at least. Now, for the three sequences that we collectively call the flow, first gear shift was when the one that set off the entire episode. Rinko finds out about Satsuki's real pen name. Simple na, why did I call it a gear shift? This, like I said just a while ago, it was the one that triggered the entire episode. Dahil yung buong kwentuhang ito, dito nag-revolve. Okay? And it even gave Rinko doubts about Satsuki's sincerity. Pero alam nila ni Usahara na may tinatago sikreto ito si Satsuki, yung pen name niya. Ayaw niya talaga sabihin kahit kanino, kahit kay Usahara, kahit kay Rinko. And for Rinko for Rinko to find out from another person yung kanya tinatago sikreto, it really hurts. Parang gano'n, yung kanta, di ba? Gano'n, it really hurts. So, it's quite a relatable gear shift too, kasi you thought you were friends, pero may sikreto pa rin tinatago yung itong kakilala mo. Then, you found that secret out from other people. May talagang, you'd get pissed off. Masasaktan ka. Natural. Now, second gear shift was when, sinabi na ni Ringo ang katotohanan. Satsuki finally fesses up. Finally, Satsuki! Satsuki! Pronunciation na, nakakaiba na pangalan eh. So, no brainer of a gear shift, folks. Dahil dito na nagsimula ang self-doubt ni Satsuki. Dito na talaga nagsimula yon. He cooped himself up into his office. Then of course the shouting scene he had with Usahara. All right, they were yelling at each other so loudly the whole building woke up. Ganun katindi yun. Advantage over Rinko, Usahara. Pero I don't wanna delve into love triangles anyway, kasi it's not my specialty. Okay, now third and final gear shift. The final sequence. Rinko finds that her walls na nasira ni Usahara in the pilot fixed up na. Talagang sinara na ng matino. Hindi lang siya nakatakip with anime posters para lang matakpan. Talagang kinumpuni na. Talagang sealed up na yung dalawang butas na yun. There's only one thing I can say about this sequence. Why I called it a gear shift. Napakagandang setup for the finale ito. Akala kasi ni Ringo, everything's fine, everything's okay. All's well that ends well. Then she comes home, finding her walls have already been fixed up, na-repair na. So, siyempre magtatanong siya, what gives? Paano nangyari ito nung wala ako? Let's just wait for the finale, okay? Kung sino talaga yung nagpagawa ng mga sirang to. But, right now, takang-taka si Ringo kung paano nangyari ito. Sino ang nagbigay ng consent? Yan! Alright? Deep dive. Kaya ko tinawag na gear shit ito. Pero guys, will it be enough for you to totally to even decide to finish this anime? Di pa rin. Watch it from start to finish. Dahil, you're gonna miss out on the shouting scene between Osahara and Satsuki. Right? It was absolutely hilarious. You don't wanna miss out on that sequence. At saka yung, what you call this, yung story progression. Okay? Especially if this is the first time you're going to see this anime. Kung ngayon nyo palang papanoorin dito sa episode na to. Alright? Watch it from beginning to end. Total. Matatapos ang anime na to, tatama rin pa kayo? Hello! Now, plot-wise. No-brainer. Malinis ang plot, guys. Okay. I am currently figuring out a scenario wherein mariretain yung quality ng episode na ito pag nilagyan pa rin ng side story or backstory sequence. Wala sira momentum coming into the finale. Kaya overall guys, squeaky clean ang plot ng episode na to. And what you call this? Well, meron din flashback sequence, pero it's a scene from the episode itself. I don't know if it's for recall purposes only, kasi it was only 2 sequences ago. Kaya totally ignorable kasi it's from the same episode. It's from the episode itself. So again, overall, squeaky clean ang plot. So pace, flow, and plot all came together, and bring on the finale. So, part of the intrusion, I'm home. Episode 11.